Hello there, welcome back. So on this 2012 Ford Transit Connect, I just want to explain to you guys how to remove your third brake light. So I use this tool, which is a 10mm socket. You can see right there, and a ratchet handle. So you can use a 10mm of your choice, whatever tool you got. And these are the nut I removed from the light. So in order to get it out, you have to push these clip in the side with a screwdriver. So all I need to do, get a flat pine screwdriver, a small one like this one. And I'm gonna push it to this side where the light is. Push it to this side, push them in and pull down. I'm gonna do it for both sides. No, sorry, not both sides. This side already our lock, so I push in and push snap in like this. So let me show you first, guys. Alright, so if we snap in, oh Lord, sorry. So it snap in just like this, guys. Hold on, let's try to get it in. Alright, so now it's in there, guys. You just have to get a fine screwdriver and push it just like this, guys, and pull it down just like that. And there you go. And the screws will be up in this hole. I can show you guys. Okay, that's where the nuts come from. 2 of them. So I'm going to now rise it up just like this. There's a rubber gasket in there. Alright, so now I remove it. So that's how you get it out, guys. So this one not working, so I decided just want to try to see if I can do a conversion to get it to work. I don't know, so I'm going to do the conversion and do another part of the video. If it works, if not, it just remain as is, guys. So that's it right there. Alright, guys, so these are the lights I'm going to convert in there. So I get these from Honda Pilot, these lights, Honda Pilot, and I have to cut, so you can see, I use a hacksaw blade to cut this piece. So take a look on the light. So I cut this piece right here. I'm going to show you the reason why I cut it. Alright, so there's a screw right here. I'm going to have to remove that screw. So this is the light. So that's it right there. So I'm going to have to remove the screw from here. And even the piece that's gonna go back here, I cut out these pieces right here. There are some pieces that go in there. This piece, cut them out. So whenever you remove your light, you will see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to move this screw and take the video to another level. Alright, so after I remove this screw from it, the star pine screw, just bend this metal piece in. So you can see right there, I bend it in flat. This will sit in here. Let's see. It should go in here like this, guys. You have to do some more trimming to the sides so I can get it in. Let me see if it's easier to get it right here. Alright, so some more trimming to do to get it to fit. And the reason why I'm doing this, guys, because I want to be able to change the bulb on this. You cannot change the bulb. You cannot change these bulbs. These are LEDs type. You cannot change them. So I just want to convert it so I can change the bulb whenever time I want, or when it blow. So I'm going to do some more trimming to the sides where it can fit flush inside of there. And see, I'm going to have cut a piece more of this piece right there. I'm going to cut off another piece, come all the way down to the side, so I'll show you soon. Alright, so now I remove these piece from this side. It was right here, so I'm going to do the same right here. So what I do, I cut it first with the blade of these ends. Cut both ends, and then I use the pliers to get them off. Really simple and easy, guys. Just twist it off like this. Alright, and there you go. So I'm gonna see if I can get the light to fit again. Alright guys, so I'm going to enter some silicone right here to the edge. Just gonna use like ultra grey silicone to seal it. So let me seal it and show you how I do it. Alright, so now I apply some silicone right there, so I'm going to put the light in and I'm going to apply some screw to hold it. Alright, so now I put some screws in the top of it. You can see I put 3 of them to hold it in place and seal the sides with silicone. So I'm going to put back some clips in here that I remove. There's a plug right there, so you can see it's going perfectly fine. So what I do, I trim a little edge of the screw. There's a little piece was right here. I trim it off with a knife. I'm going to show you the knife I use. So I get this knife in Harbor Freight. So this is what I use to do most of the work, the cutting. Really sharp. Alright, so this is gonna go right here. Go fit right in this hole. But I have to make the connection first so it can work. Alright, so I'm going to fit it up and test it, guys. Alright, so these are what I'm going to use to make the connection, but connector. And this is the crimping tool I'm going to use. So I get this crimping tool in AutoZone. So I'm going to use it to attach a wire. Alright guys, so now I make the connection right here. That's it. So I'm going to attach it back to the frame.